How to fix Messenger incoming call not showing on screen. Hi guys, if you're having that issue, you can follow up this method. So for that, you can long press on Messenger, head over to the info section at the top, and from here, go to notifications and go ahead and ensure that the notifications are turned on, including the in-app notifications and pop-up notification for incoming calls. Apart from that, you can go ahead and once try clearing the cache of the messenger. That may be the issue. So long press on the app, go to info section at the top. After that, scroll down again, go to storage, clear the cache, and see if that fixes the issue. So the most important is the notification section. That may be the reason you are not having that problem. So go ahead and do that and restart your device and your application as well, and that should fix it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.